Say something. Say something.
Yeah.
One of y'all say something.
Balls to the metal. Balls to the metal. Okay, roll what you done. Did you get over?
Yes.
What?
No.
Hey, technique. Alright, Dana. Get it. We're gay. Oh, Brad, Kayla. Oh yeah, she already got it.
It's more easier from standing up.
Are we ever gonna watch this?
Probably never.
I'll put it up on my MySpace.
No, what?
Do it! Come on! Do it!
I will.
Seriously,
Are you gonna do it tonight?
There's only a few little clips of you. Most of it's all bad.
Kayla, can you do it tonight? Kayla, can you do it tonight?
Yeah, I'll upload it onto YouTube.
She's not allowed to be on stage.
Well, I'll edit out those ones.
Oh, I quit. What are you looking at?